I consider vitamin C serums an essential part of my daily skincare routine. Although I don't personally have rosacea, there are certain times of the month and year where my skin gets a little sensitive. And during those times, I'll often gravitate towards a product that's less irritating. So today, I want to share with you of all the vitamin C products I've personally tried and used, the ones that I recommend for sensitive skin. Hi, my name is Dr. Jenny Liu. I'm a board-certified dermatologist and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you enjoy learning about skincare content, getting skincare tips, product recommendations, and skincare products reviews, I would love it if you can give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So while I personally love vitamin C and use it daily, especially in my morning skincare routine, is that vitamin C is a great antioxidant and can work well alongside sunscreen to offer additional protection against UV, high energy visible light, as well as pollution that can all contribute to skin aging. Furthermore, vitamin C can help brighten the complexion, improve uneven skin tone, and also support collagen production. Vitamin C actually is a cofactor that is needed by the enzymes that our skin uses to build collagen. So certainly it can offer some improvements in fine lines, wrinkles, and for us women where we start losing collagen in our late 20s, incorporating a vitamin C product in the late 20s and 30s can be a very effective, way to help age more gracefully as part of your anti-aging goals. Now, I'm not going to talk too much about the formulation, the science behind vitamin C. I do have quite a few videos on vitamin C that I will link below if you're interested in learning more. I will mention one thing. L-ascorbic acid, the active form, the form that's been studied the most, that's been shown to be the most effective, is fairly unstable. And one way of stabilizing that is to make it into an acidic, watery serum. And because of that, the challenges really occur around individuals with more rosacea or sensitive skin. That acidic serum often can burn and cause redness and discomfort on the skin. And for some individuals who report vitamin C breaking them out, it can certainly be the irritation that inflames the skin barrier that can thereby worsen acne. So for those with sensitive skin, here's what I recommend. First and foremost, look for products that are fragrance-free. I have nothing against fragrance, but if vitamin C already is a potentially irritating ingredient, you just want to remove any additional other risk factors that could contribute to irritation, and fragrance can certainly be one of them. 2, understand which vitamin C derivative works best for sensitive skin. Now, as I mentioned earlier, L-ascorbic acid is the one that has been shown to be the most effective, but there is another derivative that is not only better suited for sensitive skin, but also has pretty good data demonstrating efficacy of it being a good antioxidant, improving fine lines, wrinkles, and improving skin texture. And that ingredient is THD ascorbate, or tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate. And this is a lipid-soluble vitamin C. And because it dissolves in lipid, it often means when it's formulated, the formulation is not a watery acidic serum, but maybe a lighter lotion or emulsion. So it tends to be less irritating and better suited for those with dry, sensitive, and rosacea-prone skin. And lastly, L-ascorbic acid is not completely out of the picture. As you will see in a bit, there are 2 that I'm going to mention today that I think are suitable, but at the end of the day, regardless of the product, even if it's labeled for sensitive skin and you have sensitive skin, you still want to try it and test it on your skin first, because all of our skins are different. What I recommend is just my general experience and what I get feedback from my patients and followers, but it doesn't mean that it is a good fit for your skin. So certainly try out if you have sensitive skin. And conversely, if there is a product on here that I didn't mention but is working really well for you, please continue and let me know in the comments below what you've been using, because I definitely would want to try them too. Now let's get into the products. The first one I'm going to mention is by far the most expensive that I will be talking about today. I know you guys really enjoy more affordable, budget-friendly products, but this one I want to mention because the science is really cool. There's actually quite a bit of publications around the efficacy of this product, and also I've been loving it myself. I really have been enjoying it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And that product is SkinBetter Alto Defense Serum. This retails for $165, so certainly up there with SkinCeuticals CE Frulic. This contains the lipid-soluble THD ascorbate along with vitamin E and 17 additional other antioxidants. For example, polyphenols from green tea, turmeric, coenzyme Q10, superoxide dismutase, certainly antioxidants that our skin makes naturally, as well as additional ones that are plant-derived. It also contains licorice and peptides that can be soothing and peptides that can help to support the skin barrier. Now, what I love about this serum is the texture and lack of weird odor. So what I mean by that is, if you ever use CE Fruit, I personally am not bothered by it, but certainly a lot of people have told me it smells like hot dogs or something really unpleasant, and this serum certainly does not. What I really love about this serum is really just the texture and spreadability. What I do every morning is just take 2 pumpfuls, which is actually not a lot, and it just spreads so nicely on my skin, and I'm able to cover my face and neck. It's rich and soothing and hydrating. It has a light creamy emulsion texture, and in studies is shown to work very effectively at defending against not only UV radiation but high energy visible light from the sun as well as pollution. And in one study, this serum has even shown to outperform CE Fruit in its ability to act as an antioxidant. Now, certainly we need a lot more studies to compare the two, but this one definitely has been backed by science and clinical research. And if you are into looking to splurge on a skincare, and certainly I personally feel vitamin C is one that I would splurge on, this is definitely one that is worth checking out. The next vitamin C serum I want to share is from Vanicream. Vanicream's new vitamin C serum, and I talked about this recently in my favorites from Vanicream. First and foremost, this is wonderful and affordable, retailing for about $19 to $20 in drugstores. First of all, Vanicream is a line that was made for those who are eczema prone, sensitive skin, and have rosacea. So their ingredients already are devoid of common allergens and irritants that individuals with sensitive skin and rosacea skin often can't tolerate. This serum is simple, it's elegant, and it contains the active THD ascorbate formulation vitamin C that we know, as I mentioned earlier, is better suited for individuals with more sensitive skin. Texture-wise, this is a lightweight, white, milky, creamy serum. It's white in color because THD ascorbate often, depending on the supplier, is more light yellow to white in color or colorless. But this is stable, it's a lightweight texture, it's white and creamy, it absorbs quickly, it's non-sticky. So I think it's really suitable for all skin types. Certainly if you have sensitive and dry skin, I think this is a great one. But even if you have more oily and combination skin, because of how quickly it absorbs, I think it can also be suitable for those individuals as well. So if you're looking for a affordable vitamin C serum, highly recommend checking this one out. Going down the line, the next vitamin C serum I recommend is from CeraVe, their vitamin C serum that retails for roughly $29.99, $30 in drugstores. This vitamin C serum does contain the active form L-ascorbic acid at 10% concentration, along with vitamin B5, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. Why I recommend this one are for a few reasons. Number one, it does contain a lower concentration, but still effective concentration of the L-ascorbic acid. So it's going to be less irritating than some of the higher concentrations, like 15% or 20%. Two, it's formulated in a rich, creamier serum that is not watery, so it's less acidic and therefore usually less irritating and causes less burning sensation on the skin. Now, CeraVe products are also developed in a way where it's more for dry and sensitive skin, and this serum, like all the products I mentioned today, is also fragrance-free. Texture-wise, it is pretty lightweight. I find that it is pretty comparable to the Vanicream's vitamin C serum, maybe slightly more nourishing, moisturizing, but I certainly have not had any issues with using this on my skin and causing any sort of discomfort. Now, this serum does contain a natural yellow hue, as the L-ascorbic acid does have that natural color. I also recommend this serum because vitamin C does degrade fairly quickly, and the way that it's packaged in an opaque tube and that tip really helps to prevent it from oxidizing. The one thing that you may notice is sometimes that serum may leak out around the side and it will turn brown in color, but when you squeeze out any content from the tube, that color does remain really stable over time. So that is really one thing I also appreciate from this product, is that the packaging really allows for stability of the vitamin C so that it does still continues to work over time. As far as who I recommend to, in addition to those with sensitive and rosacea prone skin, again, very similar to the vitamin C serum, I think it's really suitable for all skin types, in the sense if you have oily but sensitive skin or dry and sensitive skin, because the nature of how quickly the serum absorbs and how lightweight it feels on the skin, I think it can be suitable for all skin types. But certainly, I think it's one of those things where you just have to try it on your skin and see if it works well for you. The next product that I want to talk about is from Bliss, their Vitamin C plus Tri-Peptide serum that retails for $30 in drugstores. So this serum is a little different compared to all the other ones that I'm going to talk about today, in the sense it contains a vitamin C derivative that I have not yet mentioned, and that is 3-O-ethylated ascorbic acid. This is a type of vitamin C derivative that is much more stable than L-ascorbic acid, but unfortunately doesn't have as much studies demonstrating efficacy as an antioxidant. However, like vitamin C in general, it can function to help brighten the skin and improve uneven skin tone at the very least. If you're looking for a vitamin C serum that you can use morning and night, but also help to improve fine lines and wrinkles, then this is one that you could certainly consider in adding into your routine. In addition to the ethylated ascorbic acid, this also contains tripeptides that we know can plump the skin, may help improve collagen production, at the very least improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This also contains glycerin as well as licorice root that can act as an anti-inflammatory ingredient, but also help again to brighten the skin. And overall, I think this is just a really nice, elegant, fragrance-free, milky serum that is hydrating, but it's not sticky, it's not tacky. I think certainly this may be better tolerated by individuals that have more dry and sensitive skin. But if you have combination skin and you're looking for a hydrating serum with brightening benefits and some plumping benefits, I think this can be one that is suitable to use as well. And with that 3-O-ethylated ascorbic acid, it's gonna be less irritating too, and certainly something you can use twice daily compared to most vitamin C serums, especially when they're expensive or have more of the active form like L-ascorbic acid or THD ascorbate, where it offers more protection against environmental damage. It's often something that I recommend using just in the morning. The next product I want to recommend is from BeautyStat, the universal vitamin C skin refiner that retails for $85, and this is the second most expensive product I am going to be recommending today. This does contain 20% L-ascorbic acid, so certainly the max concentration of L-ascorbic acid that's shown to be effective. Now, reason why I'm recommending this product is because, number one, the L-ascorbic acid is made into an encapsulated technology to enhance stability, but also I find most encapsulated ingredients tend to be less irritating. And two, I personally use this postpartum during the springtime where my skin was ultra sensitive and didn't have any irritations. Now, that's not to say it won't irritate you, but from my personal experience, it wasn't. And I do think here the formulation made all the difference. In addition to the L-ascorbic acid, it also contains various types of silicone and petrolatum that both offers and works as occlusive emollients in softening the skin, protecting the skin, and also making this product more of a rich cream. It's not watery at all. It also contains squalane, green tea, hyaluronic acid, so all soothing, nourishing ingredients that can help to support the skin barrier. Overall, texture-wise, this is more of a richer cream, but because of the silicone, it does spread very nicely and gives it slip. So again, I personally find it better suited for those with sensitive skin, but that are also more on the dry side. If you have oily combination skin, you just may not like the heaviness, if you will, that this product may impart on your skin. But also, it's actually because of silicone mattifying. So then again, if you have oily skin, you may actually enjoy the mattifying properties of this product. So certainly something I think if you're curious, try it out and see how you like it on your skin. The last two products I want to recommend are not traditional vitamin C serums, but more vitamin C creams and moisturizers, which can also be another great way of utilizing vitamin C in your routine to get the benefits I mentioned earlier. First product I want to recommend is from Versed, their daily Brightening moisturizer that retails for $20. I have been obsessed with this moisturizer and have been using it pretty much every morning because it's also a wonderful moisturizer. It contains THD ascorbate along with carrot extract, shea butter, different oils and lipids, but it's in this lightweight cream that just absorbs so nicely in your skin, but your skin feels nourished and hydrated. It doesn't feel thick or tacky or sticky, and layers wonderfully under sunscreen. With this THD ascorbate, you're definitely going to get some additional protection as well as brightening benefits. And so if you find yourself not being able to tolerate vitamin C serum, give this one a try because this certainly can dual as a potential skin protectant antioxidant as well as a good moisturizer that offers brightening benefits. So highly recommend this one if you're just looking for good facial moisturizers to use, especially in the morning under sunscreen. The last product I want to recommend, I shared this in my last vitamin C favorites video, is from Dermatology, the Vitamin C5 that retails for $62. This is definitely more of a cream. It does have wonderful ingredients that I really love it for that. It contains DHT ascorbate, ascorboglucoside, along with peptides, ceramides, vitamin E. So a lot of other wonderful ingredients that helps to support the skin, helps to, brighten the skin, really improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and really support your journey in aging more gracefully, if you will. And because it also has a creamier texture, it can certainly dual as, kind of acting as that antioxidant and moisturizer in one to help simplify your routine. Texture-wise, it is a lightweight white cream, but it absorbs really quickly, does not feel sticky or heavy, so really suitable for all skin types. Certainly if you have more combination oily skin, this could certainly just be your moisturizer with additional benefits. For those with more dry skin, you can use this under a thicker moisturizer at night, or definitely use this in the morning under a more nourishing sunscreen. But yeah, I love the ingredients, I love the way it feels, and I just really love all the benefits that you're getting from this product altogether. Alright guys, so that is my quick rundown and recommendations of vitamin C products for sensitive skin. Please let me know if any of your favorites, or if you're currently using any of these products and what you think of them. And if you're not, but really enjoying a product and you also have sensitive skin, please let me know in the comments below because I certainly want to try that out myself as well. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.